This model is a Z2101AX-D-M2 Wi-Fi 6 product. This shows the IP address of the login background. Then 2.4.5.8 Wi-Fi name. Default login password background. Admin. And power supply specifications, 12V, 2A. This is the main device. Then, there are 6 built-in antennas, 4 of which communicate with 5G. Then 2.4 and 5.8. Dual screen antenna. There are also instructions inside. A SIM ejector pin and several SIM adapters. And then there's the heatsink of the 5G module. Certificate of conformity, instructions. There is also a fixing screw, 5G module fixing screw. 1 power adapter, parvocostally. Enter Wi-Fi settings, find the device's Wi-Fi name. Select 5.8 or 2.4 to connect. Finish entering the browser. 192:168.1.1, get into. Enter the default password, admin. Can see the equipment model. Operator signal, 5G. Use module. Use card number to connect IP 2.4 and 5.8 Wi-Fi name to search, and use line. Enter the network. There are also specific. Operator card number. Use module. IMEI name and signal strength. Timed. Setup APN. Just connect again. APN. Login code required. Operator dials the operator number. Enter here and click Save. Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5.8 all have no password by default. Require encryption. There are 2 encryption methods. Select one. Enter 8-digit password. Click Save. This is 5.8. No password by default. Select one of the encryption methods. Import 8-digit password. Click Save.